Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to quickly dive into this AI writing assistance, which is EssayDone. So in this video we're going to create a very short review about this AI website. We'll decide if this AI website, which is for writing assistance, can be a game changer for you. So let's quickly dive into it. We're talking about EssayDone. EssayDone makes essay writing fast and effortless with AI generated draft, auto citations, and a built-in humanizers to make content sound natural. It's great for students or writers who need structured essay quickly without stressing over formatting. The tool's clean interface and instant result make it appealing for quick academic or creative writing tasks. However, EssayDone reliability is questionable due to low trust and rating and also inconsistent output quality. And some essay may also sound generic or risky plagiarism detection, so if not edited. So in my own opinion, it's decent, quickly draft tools, but not ideal for serious academic works. So the app and the platform is great for ideas and outlines, but double check everything before submission. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.